in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F34. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. Beginning, let's go to Google app and now enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant, voice match, and enable OK Google function. Tap more, agree, continue, not now, and now let's try it out. Hey Google. OK Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back. And now enter lock screen. Also, enable assistant responses on lock screen. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google. Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 13 and a low of 9.
And that's basically it. If you found the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.